So I am Lee.
Yes, me.
And you are Heidi. And people know us as
Hailey.
Hailey.
Tell our clients to call us Hailey because they can't remember our names.
Yeah, because we actually look so much alike.
We are.
Sound alike. Yeah, people can't tell us apart. So we are Hailey because we are highly motivational. We are highly favored. And we are highly blessed.
Some of us are highly strung.
Yeah, that's just you. We introduce ourselves as Hailey. I think it's got a catchy phrase to it.
And it shows our clients that we are a team and we are together.
We're a team. We're together. We work well. We work. The energy flows, so it's a good thing. Yeah. I think that's definitely what stands out about us. And we love Sotheby's. We've joined Sotheby's International Realty, Lou Geffen Sotheby's International Realty, because I think, for me, Heidi, I think it was more the association with, initially, the international brand. Having to be associated with a company that's in Gossip Girl, You
would have to go there.
But I think once, obviously, being a part of the team, being a part of the brand itself, you really understand that it's so much more than just an international brand. It is actually, it's very much even South African, the way it's diverse in the things that we do and the values that it stands for and the people, the team. I mean, from the very beginning, being interviewed by Andre and Zona, it wasn't an interview as such, it was more a conversation, and I already felt like I was part of a family. And those values sort of carry through within the team. That we actually take out and introduce our clients to in terms of what we do.
Yeah.
What do you think?
And we just noticed that Lou Geffen Sotheby's can stand on its own feet.
Yes.
We don't have to hold it up because it can hold itself up very nicely. So it helps to have a strong name behind you.
Because we also have an onus to hold the brand up anyway.
Exactly.
We need to make sure that we're acting accordingly because we've got a bigger brand behind us.
And it's exciting in our area because Sotheby's has not been in the West Rand for very long. So we are basically introducing ourselves and our company to our area. And to tell you a bit about our area,
yes.
We work in the lovely Wilgegevel, Radiokop and Honeydew areas.
Yeah.
And we love the areas because they are just so vibey and so busy and things are just happening there and people are moving in and out like bees.
It's a highly motivated area.
Highly.
Yeah, I think what makes our area great, it's Sotheby's in the area, it's the introduction of it all. But I mean, apart from, it being the hub of the lock up and go lifestyle where you can actually find doctors, lawyers, everything is sort of at your doorstep. You've got the golf course,
schools, the hospitals,
botanical gardens,
Walter Sisulu.
Yeah.
The thing is, once you enter this area, our little part of the world, you don't have to leave again.
Yes.
Because you can literally spend your whole life there because we cater for all stages of life.
Yeah. So from the time you're buying your first property, you're moving on, you're growing, you're starting a family. It's all that growth cycle all the way up until you retire because we've got so many
a lot of retirement
villages. So, I mean, grandparents are in the retirement villages. The grandkids are buying their first properties. They're all still within close proximity of each other.
Yeah.
Okay?
They're all down the road from each other and we are walking the walk with them. Because
100%.
we start we sell them their first home and eventually we'll sell them their last home as well.
And I think that's why people like working with us. I think we are definitely value add. I think sometimes we feel like we give too much information, but it's,
you give too much information.
I talk too much. But this is, I think, what we found is that all the clients that we've worked with previously appreciate the fact that, oh wow, we didn't know that, because they're not getting the information that they need in order to make the decision that's right for them.
Because we have a lot of first-time buyers and a lot of first-time sellers.
Yes.
So we find more than just selling a house, we have to also educate the people on how it works.
100%. And I mean, all of that with our, excitement on the journey. It's a massive journey. So real estate for us is, it's not just selling a house. Yes, we sell houses, that's what we do. But it's not just that. I think that's sort of like the end result.
Yeah, that's the cherry on the cake.
That's the cherry on the cake. In the beginning, it's meeting the different people.
Yeah, because you love people.
I love people. You love houses.
Yeah, so we just match the right people with the right houses.
Yeah.
And that is a winning recipe.
It is a winning recipe.
Everybody's happy.
So people would I would say this is why we've done so well in terms of, the relationships that we've established within our area with the people. People are people, and we go in there and we make it work.
Look, we're also not spring chickens, the two of us. So we come with a lot
of yourself.
We come with a lot of experience in client service and in sales.
Yes.
And quite frankly, in real estate, that is what it's all about. It all boils down to the service you give to the clients. And what makes real estate a little bit more challenging is that you have the sellers and the buyers. So you have the whole cycle of the sales, and you have to manage the whole thing with a whole lot of emotions involved, because it's a big money that they are spending on these investments of theirs.
Yeah. I mean, your buyer turns into your seller, sort of. It's a whole cycle, and this is why we're saying it's a journey. And I like that you mentioned, this is what we're not spring chickens, and we come from, obviously, a specific background where we were involved with customer service, customer relationship management. So we understand what it is to always put your clients first.
Yeah, that is the most important thing.
Going the extra mile to us is not just a saying, it's actually what we do. It's what it's what our service is about. It's ensuring that the process is complete from start to finish. In actual fact, with real estate, I don't think there is sort of a finish, because we never lose touch.
There never seems to be a finish.
We never lose touch. I think we still got so many good people that we've made built amazing relationships with, that we sort of just have taken to the end.